All right, so this one, $1620, 835 square feet. Nice look into the pool down there, which is closed, probably gonna stay closed this year. What is this mock cooking, huh? Too much overaction. The amount of marijuana that I have inhaled passively today, just trying to look at houses, is crazy. Alright, this one is a little modern. This has got 800 something square feet, nice kitchen. It's got a nice balcony with a view of the road, all wooden furnish. It's an American flag flying out there. Bedroom 1, bedroom 2. The bathroom is super weird. I go in from there and then I could come out of here. So it's a little maze of a bathroom. Where's the seat, bro? Go Karuna, go. Oh, this is nice. Kitchen is also nice. How much for this?
This is 1650.
That is nice. It's cheaper than what we're paying. Bedroom is also nice. I like it already.
Closet is good.
Deep.
I can actually sleep.
Yes. Alright, what is going on YouTubies? What's up Team Heart? Today we are looking at another house because we are soon going to move out of our first apartment. The vlog that you must have seen about a year ago. It's been almost an year that we are here in Seattle, USA, and it's time that our lease is up, and we didn't want to renew the lease at the same spot. I think we were, there are advantages of staying in downtown, but I think we were paying a bit too high of a rent as in downtown for a smaller space. So we were out looking for something that is in the same around the same rent but for a bigger space, and we've been looking around, but it's corona time right now. Everything is closed. Nobody's actually giving a tour of the apartment, and very few apartments are actually giving you self tours. So we have come here. In this apartment we got a self tour, and this might be our next place to stay because she liked the kitchen a lot and I like the amount of space that is in here a lot. And you see, this is a normal thing now. Everybody is wearing masks around here. There's a pretty big bedroom. Let me show you. The cupboards are also super big. I could never walk in like this. I could pretty much make this an office space, like take out all these and make this an office space, but I'm not going to. The bedroom is also super big, which is very nice. I mean, super big, not compared to our Indian home, but compared to what we were living in downtown Seattle, this is pretty big. Very nice kitchen again, very nice colors, bright lights, which we missed a lot in the last one. A lot of big switches, a very big toilet. Virtue of vlogging. Okay, so couple of cupboards here and there. Washer dryer is right here in this unit. What we will be missing is the bedroom door is no longer it's not an open door type. It's more like a sliding, but that's like a Japanese type, I believe. And the kitchen would be nice. This kind of counter we always wanted, and I'm figuring out where to put my workstation for the editing, where we're gonna put the couch. We're just doing a little bit of planning here before we can go, but most probably we will take this place. We are kind of sure that we're going to take this place. I do want to show you how the outside looks, but I think you'll be able to figure out where I'm living. This has got a unique color scheme, this apartment, so you might be able to figure out. So I'm not going to do that. I'm going to show you a bit of paperwork. All right, so this is not the paperwork really, but this is what it goes. I think I did not show this in the last vlog when we first moved here. So to apply to live here, you need like $45 per applicant, so $90 for us when we apply. Then we deposit about $250. This is just deposit. I don't think this comes back. We're gonna figure out in our new apartment now. We don't have pets, or I'm not allowed a snake as a pet by my partner. But so yeah. Anyway, garage. I'm gonna go take a look at it. I still need a motorcycle parking, so maybe we are gonna pay this. I don't know. Storage, I don't think we need it. This is something I have to figure out. So this roughly costs about $130. Water, sewage, gas. Miss Spectacles. Why do you have spectacles today? I've never seen you in glasses in a long time.
Because you never lived with me.
Ah, because I never looked. Who am I living with then? Okay, so how do you like the kitchen? Do you like it? You like the lights, huh? You like the contrast the kitchen has with the... You like the oven, huh? You want to say what you don't like? Okay, go ahead. All right, so we've got complaints from the boss. Yes, boss.
The microwave should have been here.
The what?
Microwave.
The microwave should have been... I've already said that, okay?
The sink is small.
Sink is small?
Yes.
How many things do you want to sink over there? Okay, so the fridge is a little older than what we have currently. And also the current microwave, we have it right here. It goes in unit. That's not there, so it comes up as a separate thing. They're still to fix these things. I think they're cleaning up because the last tenants left it, so they're gonna clean it up. These knobs, these are a little old style, old technology than what we have in downtown. That's the thing, right? Like, so what you have in downtown, you pay more. The fridge is also a little older, but inside it doesn't look so. Inside it just looks super new. I can figure out it's old because of the handles. The plastic handles have been out of style for a pretty long time. I love the cupboards. The cupboards are all pretty nice, and this view that you get from the kitchen outside, wow. I'm gonna give you the tour of the toilet, but it is pretty spacious. There's a bathtub on the other side. There are these shelves that we never had in our current one. There are some things, as I said, like in the kitchen too. Some things are old, and then these blinders are there. I don't like these types of blinders. Look at them, sag all the weight in the bottom. I might have to put up curtains, a skill that I learned from Scott. So I'm gonna start drilling.
I can live here.
You can live here? Okay, then that's your bedroom, and this will be my bedroom. You're gonna sleep in there? It can support your weight. You're featherlight anyway. That's our view. Nice courtyard view down there. I wish there was a swimming pool there. Oh, you can't see the view. Oh, damn it. Damn. Focus. So the cons of finding house during Corona is that everybody wants to give you a virtual tour here. In like it's a new concept for me. It's not a new concept as such, but in India this wouldn't happen. Like, you wouldn't do a virtual tour, like virtual tour literally on the website. You wouldn't look at a few pictures and a 3D video and rent out something. I don't know that happening over there, but here a lot of people wanted you to do that, which is probably good, safety for everybody. But that's a con because I'm not used to taking anything for like putting down money for an year of lease by just looking at something like that. I'm a bit like that with the money. So because of that, you get limited a lot. So these apartments that are giving self tours like that we're doing now are pretty limited. So you have to choose from limited ones. So that's one of the cons. But the positive side is that when you come to a self tour, we are pretty much spending 1 hour here. If you come on a guided tour, you cannot really spend this much time looking at an apartment because the leasing office person is with you, and it kind of feels like a pressure. The other con is that now we can't go and look at the amenities. So the gym, if there is any game room or if there is a pool, I cannot go and survey those, and because they're all locked down. Alright, Team Heart, so that's it for this vlog. Will this be our new space that we move in for the next whole year or a little longer in USA? We'll find out. Nice kitchen. We make a beef biryani here.
No.
No.